Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Starpets currency to pound in 2026. So if the prices are currently showing you in different currencies and you would prefer to view them in pounds, you just have to follow simple steps that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to come here on starpets.gg. Then you need to simply log in into your account in order to get access to your dashboard. Now over here, click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner, and here you are going to see all of the currencies that you can use. So we have euro, ruby, and then we have USD. But as you can see, the GBP or the pound option is not available over here. It simply means that you can't actually use that, but you can anytime go to the settings and go to the preferences sections and see if there are some other currencies available. And if you find GBP over here, it will come here in the next version of the website. So when they basically add GBP option as well, you will find it over here. Then you need to select that tab and all of the items will come in your pound currency. But as of right now, you can only select among euro, ruby, and USD. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.